Hi everyone, this is Javery, and today I'll be experimenting Gummy osmosis. Osmosis is a movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a membrane that only allows certain molecules to pass through, called the semipermeable membrane. Gummy bear osmosis gives you an example of how osmosis works since you can't see it happen since it's too small to see with the human eye. In this experiment, you will need 3 cups of water, salt, sugar, vinegar, 4 gummy bears, and a measuring spoon. The cup I have on the left is regular water. The cup second to the left is salt water. Third is sugar, and fourth is vinegar. After stirring my salt and my sugar for it to dissolve, I put my gummy bears in. Now I'll let all my gummy bears sit in room temperature for about 8 hours. After letting it sit for about 8 hours, you could see that the smallest one was the one in salt water and the biggest one was the one in vinegar. Why did this happen? This happened because of a process called diffusion, which is molecules in a solution that will move from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration, trying to even everything out, similar to osmosis. When there is more water outside the gummy bear than inside, the solution will enter the gummy bear and otherwise. The gelatin in a gummy bear acts like a cell membrane. When a gummy bear is placed in water, water moves into the gummy bear through osmosis. The water moves to even out the concentration of sugar molecules inside and outside the gummy bear, and the gummy bear swells and gets bigger. In sugar water, water moves into the gummy bear to make the concentration of sugar molecules the same inside and outside the gummy bear. For salt water, water moves out the gummy bear because the concentration of salt molecules outside the gummy bear is higher than inside the gummy bear, which caused it to shrink. For the gummy bear in vinegar, the acid in the vinegar breaks down the protein in the gelatin that causes the gummy bear to lose its shape and absorb more water, but also causes it to somewhat lose its shape. That's all for today, and thank you for listening about my experiment, and I hope you learned something new today.